What's up, guys? It's your boys, Halfway Kicks. We are back. And if you haven't already, subscribe, like, and comment. My name is Bendo.
And my name is AJ. And we also got
Drew. Drew's in the building.
Fact checking.
Or extraordinaire. That's a good name, to be honest.
TV. I'm going to get that on a t-shirt.
We got a video for you, obviously. And it's the Jordan 5 Paris PSG Low.
These are dope.
But first, we got an announcement.
We got a giveaway.
And why are we doing this giveaway, Drew?
It's because it's our first year.
We just hit 1 year. Our first post was on August the 14th.
Crazy.
Okay, what are we giving away?
Let me see.
Ooh.
Just
Hey.
slide in
We
there.
are giving away a size 10. Focus. Easy slide. And these are
Onyx, I think?
Onyx, yeah.
And wow. Size 10. We are going to give these away to one lucky winner.
And you have to be subscribed in order to win these. You got to comment down below year one. But how do you spell one?
W-O-N.
W-N-O-N. So
Get it?
make sure you... Alright, so make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment down below. And then on September 24th, we're actually going to go live on YouTube. And we're going to give away these shoes. But make sure you check in because we're also probably going to give something else away too, right?
Probably. Alright,
so make sure you tune in September 24th. Thank you, Drew.
Yes.
Alright, let's get to these shoes.
So we make it out alive. I don't wanna waste no time. Oh yeah. Try to play nice so I won't give you heartache. Trust me, baby, when I say, girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to bed. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down.
Let's get to the shoes, alright?
So we finally got something a little earlier than the release date, huh?
Yeah. I'm gonna open them.
Okay, me too.
Because these are
Fuegos.
These are the Fuegs. You guys can see.
So we got 2 pairs today. And a third coming, right?
Yeah, third coming. All before the release date, which is September 3rd.
I'm struggling.
In 2 weeks. Can you help?
No, we're good.
Oh, yours got the little, the Asia one.
You know?
Mine didn't, even though I got mine from Asia too.
That's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
I've never seen this before.
Where'd you get yours?
So I got mine on GOAT.
Mm-hmm.
And I think, I don't know, what city they come, or what country they come from.
Somewhere in Asia.
Maybe
Definitely Asia.
Indonesia?
Got a little Asia Nike tag on there.
Mm-hmm. I got mine from Titan 22. Shout out to my mom. She got me these.
Titan,
over
that's
there.
in the Philippines, right?
That is in the Philippines.
I don't think they say it like that, though.
Oh.
No, I don't think so either.
Oh, my bad.
Titan 22.
Snap.
I'm just kidding.
Oh man.
They say Philippines.
Go ahead. Let's talk about the shoes.
Obviously, Jordan 5s are my favorite.
Yes.
We've been talking about these shoes for a while. I think ever since the photos leaked, which was, what, 7 months
A
ago?
long time ago.
So, we definitely had to get these. Your mom went to the Philippines.
Mm-hmm.
Got those for you. I got mine on
Yes.
GOAT. Obviously, I paid a little bit over retail because I had to have them, and they're going to be my personal pair.
Mm-hmm.
Your laces are out, sir.
Laces are out.
Loose laces.
So the shoes, majority of it is gray suede. They have the Paname tag right here. Since your laces was just out, go show the tip. Go
You
show
see
the
that?
tip.
Okay, it's all about the tip. Usually, look at your contrast. What?
Hey.
You know? Okay.
Hey. Oh, go show that stamp right there.
Okay.
It was already
all
on
right.
there.
Oh, yeah. Reminiscent of the Ben 23.
Yeah, the Ben 23, which none of them have, right?
Yeah. I wish.
The black tongue with the blue Jordan logo. Let's see what you did there.
You saw that? You said tongue.
And the clear sole.
Yeah, these are nice.
Right.
Very icy. Is that tongue reflective?
It should be. I mean, most fives are
It
3M.
looks like it. Like it.
I think it might be.
I think it is. So you've seen a couple of the PSGs, right?
Yeah. So
what is your favorite?
Obviously the 5.
Let's check those out.
Let's check those out. These are the one that Drew is gonna give AJ.
You're so nice.
So he's a good friend.
Another
You
giveaway.
can see. I had the ones, but I don't know where they are. Yeah.
I like those too.
So they have
All right, Drew.
the Paris.
Hi, Joy.
They got the Paris logo on the bottom also.
Yeah.
What year did those come out? 2017?
These are 2017.
Or even
oh my goodness.
before?
I do wish that the 5 Low had that
Which one?
Paris in there.
Oh, inside.
Yeah,
Oh, they
just
could
just
have.
a little
They
bit
could have threw
right
that
there,
in there.
but they did give us the extra Panama tag.
Bow, bow.
Oh, 2018.
2018?
September 14,
Oh,
2018.
almost a
That's
year ago.
crazy.
But yeah, so that's the 5s, and these are the 6. I didn't like any other of the recent PSG collection, but these are dope because they're gray and the infrared. Also got the Panama tag and that clear. Boom! Look at that.
It's very subtle, but it's dope.
Yeah. So these are
It's all about the deets.
these are up there though. These gray ones are dope.
Yeah, man. I feel like there's a missed market for Jordan, Nike, for these Jordan 5 Lows. Hopefully they bring out more
Yeah.
because they're stuck on 4s right now and 1s. So we got these a little bit early. These are actually dropping this coming September the 3rd on sneakers.
What's retail on these?
Hundo.
$200.
$200.
Man.
Yeah, I mean,
Inflation.
so GOAT didn't have them for too much more. I think they were what,
Tax.
260.
Total?
No, after tax and shipping and all that, it was like 280. But so I mean, $80 to get it earlier, and I secure my pair. I mean,
Yeah.
I'll pay that all day long.
I mean, we did get these about a week ago, 2 weeks ago.
Yeah,
And that peace of mind is always nice.
yeah, for sure.
You don't gotta
For
wake up Saturday morning anymore and just get that heartbreak.
And I'm happy that it came in like really good condition. Like, box is cool. Oh, should we show them the inside of the box?
Oh yeah, there's a little razzle dazzle for the box.
So PSG is obviously soccer, right? So you see a
Yeah,
little bit
football.
of
Football.
grass. I mean, I'm probably never gonna see that often, but I think it's pretty cool.
What's behind the tongue?
Wow, dude.
Anybody speak French?
Here, try it, AJ.
Go ahead, try it.
Ici ceased.
Oh yeah, cut that out too.
Ici
another one.
ceased on the back of the tongue, yo.
Oh man. Anyways, these are dope, man. We were very happy that we got these. And there goes another thing. All right, scale of 1 to 10. For me, this is gonna be like a 8.5. You? A 10.
These are my first pair of Air Jordan Low 5s, and they just happen to be PSG. So I'm probably gonna give them about, I'll say 9,
Ooh,
I'll say 9.
he's up there.
Because I'm gonna wear these.
With the HDS?
HDS?
Yeah, Hoochie Daddy shorts.
I like these. These are cool. These are I would give it a solid 8.
Solid 8.
Solid 8 for sure.
Harsh critic, huh?
He is a harsh critic.
But anyways, where can you buy these? Go StockX.
StockX, sneakers.
And also has them available now, size 11.5 and below.
How much is shipping with that?
Free if you have a login,
Oh,
and
dang.
that one's free.
Where was it? End?
And the clothing, right?
And clothing. Yes.
And
I think
clothing.
it's overseas also.
Yeah.
So get it before it ends.
Ah.
Drew, come on. I'll be here all day. Well, not really, because I gotta work tomorrow. But
You know what? We are gonna close the video out because we are getting off track with these two.
yeah.
What am I doing?
Don't forget about the giveaway, pre-shoe giveaway. We're giving away a pair of Onyx slides, size 10. To enter, you gotta...
Year 1. One spelled WON.
Where do they put that?
In the comments.
And
Subscribers.
subscribe. And then tune in on...
The 24th of September.
Bow! So there you have
Should we
it.
say a time? Or just
We're doing.
be ready to be ready to see us go
Be
live.
ready.
All right, turn your notifications on so you can see when we go live.
Hit that bell.
I think it'll be between 12 and 8 though, probably.
So PSG 5s. Peace.
Later. So, Drew, say bye, Drew.
Later. Bye, dude.
Bye, Drew. Come on, poker. Oh, there's the pocas. Is it crooked, Drew? There's a
Or is the monitor crooked?
the monitor is.
Okay.
And I say what I mean. I mean what it says. Surprise, motherfucker! Surprise, motherfucker! Oh, let me try that. Damn it.
Year 1.
You're what?
But WON.
Oh, winning.
You get me?
Winning.
Don't let that get over the head, man. You gotta think fast.
Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter.